A lot of people have been asking me, what is ChatGPT? What can I use ChatGPT for? What is exactly is the usage of this ChatGPT? Well, I'm going to explain to you today. Well, I'm actually on ChatGPT and I am going to show you what even ChatGPT software says about itself. Okay, so let me ask, what is ChatGPT? So let me search and let's see what it's gonna say. So it says that ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence AI model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3.5, and is the successor to the previous version of ChatGPT 2 and ChatGPT 3, and has been designed to generate human-like responses in natural language conversation. And this model is a pre-trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, allowing it to learn the pattern, grammar, and context, imagine, of human language. It can understand and generate text based on the input it received. ChatGPT uses a transformer architecture, which is a type of deep learning model that processes sequential data and has been widely successful in natural languages. Well, these are just the definition of ChatGPT. Like it says, it is a form of software that can actually generate text for you and then in a kind of human form. Okay, so I'm going to show you the different ways, the different things that ChatGPT can actually do for you. Number one, ChatGPT can help you to write your social media post. For example, let me say write a short social media post about honesty. Let me click on search and you will see ChatGPT is going to begin to write this, in fact imputing emoji, imputing all these things, okay, and even put hashtag there. And when you read it and when people see it, they'll be like, what, this is actually superb. Okay, another thing that ChatGPT can actually do for you is ChatGPT can write a story. Let's say write a short story about the danger of neglecting little thing little thing. So I'm gonna search and let's see. A very good story. Once upon a time, blah 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 blah, in a small village nested amidst rolling hill, there lived a diligent farmer named Jacob. And you copy and people will begin to wonder, are you the one that actually write this? Okay, so that is what ChatGPT can do for you. Then another thing is you can ask ChatGPT to actually prepare a timetable for reading for you. Let's do it. Write a timetable for reading for adults between Monday and Wednesday. Let's click on search and you will see that ChatGPT will begin to draft out, okay, a very good timetable for you, okay, from from this place from 12:30 to 1, from 6:30 to 7:30 Wednesday. Okay, all these ChatGPT can actually do all these things, immeasurable things for you. You can say write a quote based honesty. I don't know why I write like honesty, and let's say make it 5, and you see all these things. ChatGPT will begin to write all this for you. I think I have actually mentioned 4 now. Well, I think ChatGPT can do a lot. It can actually work on yourself. You can do it. You can make it for your sleeping routine. You can make it to write a little proposal. You can say write a short proposal for a candle company, and you search, and ChatGPT will begin to write this proposal for you. So that is just a powerful effect of ChatGPT. It gives you response in a human like form, and very fast and very okay. Well, you can actually use it on your phone like I'm using on my phone, but if you're having problem with logging in with using your email, you can comment in the comment section below. I'm going to see you in the very next video.